Sometimes I have to do things that a different way than other people. Sometimes it's just difficult to get out of bed in the morning because my body hurts, so I have to kind of look at myself and go, okay, I need to get up now, and the pain is not going to stop me. The way I get into the van is I get out of my chair and crawl in the van and jump up on the seat, and then somebody puts the seatbelt on. It takes a lot of work. When I'm learning how to do things like walk in my walker, sometimes I have to keep trying to get my legs to work with me. I just keep doing them over and over again until I can get the grasp of things. This is scary, but I know I can do this. And just worry about what's ahead of you and not look back. That's bravery. My name is Sam Gates and I am brave. I'm gonna sing about it at our concert.